Oh, yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
The following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match. Making his way to the ring from Osaka, Japan, weighing in at 205 pounds, Shinobi.
Well, if their previous matches are any indication, then this competitor plans to win this match by nearly crippling their competition.
Bingo! Right you are, Saxton, doing whatever it takes to capture the win and teaching their opponent a little bit about pain in the process. That is good wrestling. A man who always gets a strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings. I've been looking forward to this one.
And his opponent from Dayton, Ohio, weighing in at 379 pounds, Bulldozer.
Looking out at the countless members of the WWE Universe in attendance, they are all here because of matches like this one. He calls himself the standard bearer of this division and plans on proving it in a matter of moments.
When it comes to inflicting punishment on your opponent in a matchup like this, the superstars are only limited by their imagination.
A competitor must accept the fact this is not about wins and losses. This is about settling a rivalry.
Falls Count Anywhere is perfect for a superstar who doesn't want any boundaries.
Reverse choke slam! Uh-oh, this is just vicious.
Oh, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Spinebuster! And he has free reign of the outside with no countouts to worry about.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
Delivered into the barricade.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Punch to the gut. Took the wind right out of you. He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far.
He's looking relentless.
Snapmare takedown.
Oh, roundhouse kick. Reversal. Can they go on the attack?
Here it comes. Nicely done.
The dangers in this kind of match are endless. Byron, what can we expect in this one?
It's all about the dangers of the unknown. The fight can go anywhere. An attack can come from anywhere.
Well, this is when we see just how far someone's willing to go to defeat their opponent, because anything goes. Heaved up.
Lariat slam. What impact. Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
Kicks out. He still has life.
How in the world?
Maybe that will shut him up.
Tossed around like a rag doll.
This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication...
Oh, he gets what he deserves for all that gloating. He's looking a little weary now. Letting this this match go a little longer than is strictly advisable. Might want to try making use of that stipulation.
Intensity and anger boiling over, all coming to a head up on the stage.
As we can only see, it's only getting worse by the second, Michael. Oh, man.
This fight has made its way to the entranceway.
Oh, man, so many things can go wrong now.
Oh, look at this.
Uh-oh, this is just vicious. Arm stomp. Another big move. Running power slam. Can he take advantage of this? Try and end it.
And that's all she wrote.
Here is your winner, Bulldozer.
No other way to put it, guys. That was kind of a butt-kicking.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.